Good morning all of you. In last video we will discuss about component of physical fitness, two component of physical fitness, endurance and flexibility. Today we will discuss one more component of physical fitness, coordinative ability or agility, and component of health related fitness. Coordinative ability or agility. It is the ability of body to perform movement with perfection and efficiency. It is the ability of the human body to change direction quickly and effectively. In other words, it is the ability to change movement or direction in the shortest time without getting unbalanced. This provides good balance of body during action. It is fact the proper combination of strength, speed, endurance and flexibility during movement. The accuracy of action, rhythm, change of movement, balance, graceful action, etc. all depend upon coordinative ability. It is mainly neuromuscular coordination that depends upon central nervous system. It is required for almost every games. Component of health related fitness. There are 5 areas of health related fitness. They are heart and lungs endurance or cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility and body composition. First one is cardiovascular endurance or heart or lungs endurance. It is the ability to exercise the entire body for a long period of time. It required a strong heart health, lungs and clear blood vessels to supply the body with oxygen. Activities to improve fitness in the areas include running, swimming and aerobic dance. A person must do the activity continuously for a minimum of 20 minutes within their target heart rate zone. Endurance cardiovascular activity should be done in minimum of 3 days per week. Every other day is preferable. The mile or the pacer will measure fitness testing in this area. Muscular strength. It is the amount of force you can put forth with your muscles. It is often measured by how much weight you can lift. People with strength have fewer problems with backaches and can carry out their daily tasks efficiently. Example of muscular strength include push-ups, weightlifting, heavy weight with few repetitions and pull-ups. Fitness testing will be measured by doing push-ups. Muscular endurance. Muscular endurance, it is the ability to use the muscles which are attached to the bones many times without getting tired. People with good muscular endurance are likely to have better posture, have fewer back problems and be better able to resist fatigue than people who lack muscular endurance. You can improve muscular endurance by lifting weight with many repetitions or doing sit-ups. Measuring the number of sit-ups you can do correctly is used for fitness testing. Flexibility. Flexibility, it is the ability to use your joints fully. You are flexible when the muscles are long enough and the joints are free enough to allow movement. Pupils with good flexibility have fewer sore and injured muscles. Stretching before and after activity will help to improve flexibility. This sits and reach and the trunk lift are two tests used to measure flexibility. Next one is body composition. It is the percentage of body weight that is fat compared to other body tissues such as bone and muscles. People who have a high percentage of fat are more likely to be ill and have a higher death rate than lean people. Exercise and eating the right food in the proper amounts can improve body composition. Can be measured using an instrument called calipers, a specialized scale, or it can be calculated by using the body mass index BMI, which use height and weight to determine your BMI.